Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best garage door insulation kits that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the 2-car garage door insulation kit from Generic. This kit features a double-layer bubble construction with a reflective aluminum coating that excels at blocking radiant heat. It's designed to keep your garage cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, making it an excellent choice for year-round energy savings. A standout feature is its self-adhesive dots, which make installation and removal a breeze, perfect for homeowners looking for a temporary or seasonal insulation solution. In terms of build, this kit is crafted from heavy-duty PVC and aluminum materials, making it both tear-resistant and waterproof. The pre-cut panels, measuring 23.6 by 47.2 inches each, come ready for installation, and the set includes 80 pairs of adhesive dots for a secure fit. However, while the design is durable, the insulation's overall thickness of 0.1 inches may not offer the same thermal performance as some thicker options on this list. This product is ideal for those who want a quick, hassle-free installation and the flexibility to remove the panels as needed. However, with a lower customer rating of 3.8 stars, it's clear that some users have experienced challenges, such as issues with adhesive strength. If you're looking for a simple, budget-friendly option for moderate insulation needs, this kit may be worth considering. In fourth place, the Nasatec White Garage Door Insulation Foam Kit offers a solid balance of performance and practicality. Leveraging NASA-developed technology, this kit helps maintain a comfortable garage environment by keeping heat out during the summer and retaining warmth during the winter. With an R value of 8, it delivers excellent thermal performance, making it a great choice for energy-conscious homeowners. The kit includes 8 pre-cut panels, designed to fit a 1-car garage door, and has a dual-sided finish, white on one side and silver on the other, for aesthetic versatility. At 1.5 inches thick, the panels create an air pocket for additional insulation, while the non-toxic, waterproof material ensures durability and safety. It's also a sound deadener, reducing noise levels and making your garage a more pleasant space to work in. While this kit is highly effective, it is better suited for smaller garage doors and may not offer the same convenience as other kits for larger spaces. Additionally, with a weight of just over 5 pounds, some users have noted that the panels can feel a bit lightweight during installation. However, with a 4.2-star rating, it's clear that many customers are satisfied with its performance and ease of use. At number 3, we have the Nasatec White Reflective Foam Core Garage Door Insulation Kit by US Energy Products. This kit is a fantastic option for those with larger garage doors, as it's designed to fit 2-car setups measuring up to 18 by 8 feet. With an impressive R value of 8.0, it provides superior thermal and sound insulation, making your garage a comfortable and quiet space. This kit includes 4 rolls of reflective foam core insulation, heavy-duty double-sided tape, and essential tools like a razor and squeegee for a straightforward installation process. The material is waterproof, weatherproof, and meets all U.S. and international fire codes, ensuring both safety and durability. A unique feature of this kit is its radiant and vapor barrier properties, which help regulate temperature and humidity. While this product delivers exceptional performance, it's worth noting that the double-sided tape requires careful handling to ensure a secure bond. Some users have reported a learning curve with the tape application, but the included instructions are clear and easy to follow. Overall, with a 4.3-star rating and thousands of satisfied customers, this kit is a reliable choice for large garage doors. Coming in at number 2 is the Owens Corning Garage Door Insulation Kit. Known for their expertise in insulation products, Owens Corning has crafted a kit that significantly improves thermal performance, while also reducing noise by up to 20%. This makes it a great choice for those who use their garage as a workshop or gym. The kit includes 8 fiberglass panels with a cleanable vinyl surface, ensuring both durability and easy maintenance. Each panel measures 22 by 54 inches, making the kit suitable for garage doors up to 9 feet. The panels are flexible and resistant to denting, which adds to their longevity. Installation is quick and straightforward, requiring only common household tools like a utility knife and tape measure. While the fiberglass construction offers excellent thermal and sound insulation, some users may find the material less user-friendly compared to foam or bubble panels. Protective clothing is recommended during installation to avoid skin irritation. With a 4.4-star rating and Owens Corning's reputation for quality, this kit is a top pick for those who prioritize performance and durability. Finally, at number 1, we have the 3009 Garage Door Insulation Kit by Reach Barrier. This kit combines affordability, performance, and ease of use, making it the best overall choice for most homeowners. Featuring Reach Barrier's reflective insulation and bubble barrier technology, it blocks up to 95% of radiant heat, helping you save on energy costs year-round. The kit includes 8 pre-cut panels, adhesive tape, a cleaning sponge, and a detailed instruction guide, everything you need for a hassle-free installation. The panels are made of polyethylene with a double bubble design, providing consistent R values and exceeding new fire codes for added safety. At just 3.3 pounds, the lightweight panels are easy to handle and install. While it may not have the highest R value on this list, this kit strikes the perfect balance between performance and price. It's ideal for those looking for a cost-effective solution that doesn't compromise on quality. With a stellar 4.3-star rating and thousands of positive reviews, the Reach Barrier 3009 is a clear winner in the garage door insulation market. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.